guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. For today's video, I'm sat in a very expensive car. Literally, I'm talking 200k plus. This, boys, is an Audi meth injected fucking beast. I mean, bro, look at this badge. That's like solid aluminum right there. Look at that. For today's video, I'm actually going to be detailing this bad boy. And yeah, I do need to clean my car. It is absolute fucking tip right now. But look, my car literally looks like I've had explosive diarrhea on it. What? Before we go any more forward, I'm going to roll you back to a couple of days ago when I unboxed what I'm about to be using. Woo! Back in time, and obviously we've got the box right here, and honestly they left us quite a nice message on the front. I haven't read it yet, but for the detailing noob whose haircut looks like a lawnmower cut it. Wait, is that for me? Sorry to interrupt the like sexual or kind of, you know, presentation of this beautiful box. However, this is actually from a company called Sam's Detailing. Don't know if I've said that already, but this box looks incredible. Look at the presentation on that, baby. Boy, that would take girls' clothes off even by looking at it. Look at that. I might even be naked right now. You guys don't know. Also in the box, it actually does come with Sam's beer. It comes with a bottle of beer. Right, so here we have a sample kit from Sam's Detailing. Oh my god, this box is genuinely, it gets me like crazy. Oof. So obviously inside the sample kit we get these little cute little bottles. Look how cute they are. Oh, because this is a sample kit, we only get small bottles to see what we like from the company, you know. This is all of their best-selling products and a new one, which is a ceramic coating wax. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
So yeah, for today's video, we're going to do a regular detail, but we're going to be using all of these products from Sam's Detailing. Oh, look at me, I feel like a waiter. Jeez. And if you guys do want this sample kit, use my code DING on their website, on the sample kit, and you get £5 off your order. And yeah, anyway, let's get started on today's video. From this sexy ass montage of the car, you can literally see it's bloody clean already. What are you talking about? Now, obviously, we are in lockdown, so the cars can't be driven anyway. And obviously, I have this Sam's Detailing sample kit. I've literally just got it waiting for me. I'm not going to wait until this lockdown is over because that's going to be weeks, you know? So, I've officially hoovered, you know, everything. It looks absolutely stunning. I have just stood in here, so obviously this side might be a bit worse, but oh, and obviously now we got to use the first ever Sam's Detailing product. Now we are going to hit it with the obviously interior detailer, because we're not going to hit with the exterior detailer, because obviously we're on the inside. Look how dusty it is and dirty. So we're going to sort that out today with exterior detailer. Here is the interior detailer, and that looks so cute, you know. So obviously the interior detailer is obviously made specifically for your interior. It's light and easy on plastics, you know, so it won't cause any damage to it, so you can use it again and again and again without causing any harm to it. That's what this is. Oh shit now. So let's get straight into it and use it. Interior detailer, take one. Go. Oh my god, that smells good. Oi, that smells like Turkish delight, that does. You guys have Turkish delight? If you have, comment down below and I'll subscribe to anybody who tells me. Honestly, the smell of this interior detailer, I actually can't get over it. It's so bloody important for a car cleaning product to smell good. It's actually kind of dangerous. Like, I even use this stuff as deodorant sometimes. It's kind of dangerous because you just want to keep on using it like every single day. exterior of the car is done, boys. Looking very nice, honestly. Look at this, look at this. Honestly, boys, that is some Rolls Royce sparkling there. That's not even dust, that like, well, this is dust, but the sparkles that you can see in the camera is not dust, it's bloody. Look at that, it's, jeez, I got diamonds dancing in my Peugeot. I mean, Audi, meth injected. Look at this little mat. Oh my God, that is sparkling. That was like brown before. The first exterior product we are going to be looking at is Sam's Detailing Snow Foam. And again, this stuff smelled like childhood. Genuinely. It smelled of rich bubblegum. Did you hear that? Bubblegum. It was actually very frustrating to have such a nice smelling snow foam because I had neighbours coming past while we were on lockdown, coming up to the car and being like, that smells good. The Sam's Detailing shampoo had the exact same smell, which is obviously really good because you want double the smell. Started off by rinsing these 30-inch titanium wheels. And then I moved on to the rest of the car. And this paint is actually quite rare, you know. It's actually called, if I'm right, Elder Le Red. Yeah. The car is now all rinsed off, as you guys can see. So the first thing we're going to use is obviously this iron reactor on the wheels, and you guys are going to be seeing porn today. Iron reactor normally smells like somebody's absolutely like pooed inside a bottle and then sold it as iron reactor. How does it smell, Michael? Doesn't smell of anything actually. I actually found out later that it did smell like poo again. It was a very, very sunny day and you're meant to leave it on for like maybe 10 minutes. However, obviously, because I was applying this on a extremely sunny day, had to come off after 2 minutes because it already dried on the car. I've left the iron reactor on the other wheels for a bit longer, as you guys can see. Whew, look at that. I think this one maybe might take a bit longer, but obviously just because it's very sunny on this side, I didn't want to leave it on. Over here you can see nice purpley bits, and also on this side you can see nice purpley bits. Right then, wheels are done and they're looking absolutely fantabulous. I could eat my bloody roast dinner off that, look at that. Right, time to snow foam this naughty girl. So then we'll detach that, and then this has actually got the snow foam in. About 400 millilitres I think, which was like the whole bottle. So I'm excited to try it and see what it smells like, because all of these so far have smelled alright. Except for the iron out, that again smelled like fucking arse. No joke, this smells so good I actually want to eat it. After leaving the snow foam on, I could only leave it on again for about 2 minutes. I know I should have done this on a cloudy day, sorry. So after about 2 minutes, I rinsed the car off and it was looking shiny already. I haven't actually got any snow foam left because I actually used it, the last bit of it, on my car. So usually I'd snow foam it and then use the, you know, contact wash. But because we don't have any snow foam, we're just gonna hit it with just this. The car is now cleaned. Obviously, I'm sat on the inside right now. I'll show you guys the exterior in a minute. But honestly, look at how clean it is inside here. So then, there are still 4 products that I have not used in this sample kit. And let me quickly go through them. I'm not going to be using all of them in today's video, but I'll show you guys them anyway. The first thing that we're going to be using in just a second is ceramic wax. So what this is, it's a wax. However, it is a sexual wax. Honestly, you turn up to your girlfriend's house with this, you are pleasing her, boy. It has features of ceramic coating, which is, if you were to put water on this, when the wax is applied, it would all come off and it would bead. So we're gonna be using that in a second. Next thing we're gonna be using is glass cleaner. This is actually a gel, which prevents drips. The next one is ceramic boost. This is basically just like the wax, however it is a spray. So it just gives your car that ceramic coating feature where the water will come off. And last but not least is the exterior detailer. I've always wanted an exterior detailer just in case I miss spots on my car when I'm washing it. First thing we're gonna put on is glass cleaner. We're gonna do the glass cleaner first and then we're gonna do the wax. So without further ado, let's do this. Okay, alright, so let's try it. Oh. No dripping so far. Normally it drips down. Honestly, look at that. Jeez. So this is the pride and joy of Sam's Detailing. This is their new product, ceramic wax. Bruv, they've done bits here. They have mixed wax with the water repellent features of a ceramic coating, like I have on my car, where wherever you pour water, or water basically, or liquid, the water will bead off and either stay on the car in beads, or it will run off the car, which is absolutely sensational. So yeah, here is the car all finished, and I think it honestly looks stunning. On the camera, it looks popping. I mean, the thing that I'm most impressed with is the wheels. Like, even though they've done 100,000 miles, they are actually so nice. But yeah, let's take you around the back. This is what the back looks like. Nice again. Interior, honestly, again, beautiful. So right, it has been a week and the car is literally all dirty again, you know. Obviously, if you leave a car outside, you're gonna get loads of dust blowing over it. It's actually quite dirty. If you guys want to go pick up the Sam's Detailing sample kit, 100% I'd recommend it. Now, I will actually be doing like a machine polish on this. I'll be doing a separate video, like making this paint brand new. So obviously all of these little scratches in it, I don't know if you guys can see, they're all gonna be coming out in the next video. And boys, it's gonna look sexy. Again, if you did enjoy, hit the subscribe button. If you didn't, fucking don't. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later in my next video.